Harbor Freight just released some new Dollar Days coupons, and it's going to be good until April 8th. So you do have some time to get some of these deals. I'm going to start off with the first one on the Greenwood 5/8 by 3/4 of an inch hose mender. So if you have a leaky hose, you can mend it with this by adding a male end to it. They also have a female also available. So whatever end you need, they're each normally priced at $2. You can save 49% on that, making it $1. So again, it's your choice of male or female, and it is a limit of 4. Next up is the Pittsburgh 6-inch torpedo level. It's their smallest torpedo level that they offer, and it includes a magnetic strip on the one side as well. So might be a decent pickup here because it is normally priced at $2.49, and you can pick it up for $1, which is saving 59%. It's a limit of 4. Next up is a 1-inch roller ball. This roller ball is rated at 132 load capacity. It's made of steel construction and obviously multi-directional. I've seen the online reviews of this, and people get really creative what they do between making like turntables and even truck bed tables where you can extend a table out from your bed. So many different good uses you could do with this. And it does retail at $1.99, and you could pick it up for $1, which is saving 49%, and it's a limit of 4. The next deal is going to be on the Pittsburgh 3/8 inch by 10-foot protective wire wrap. The retail price is $3.99. You can save 42% on that, making it $2, and it's a limit of 4. And if you want something a little bit smaller, they do have the deal on the 1/4-inch protective wrap. It's saving 24% for $3. Again, it's a limit of 4. And here's what the 1/4-inch wrap looks like. So it is just a little bit smaller than the 3/8, and this is 14 feet long. And next up is the 1/4-inch steel industrial coupler for your air compressor. So they have both male and female options available. They're each priced at $4, and you can pick them up for $3, which is saving 24%, and it is a limit of 4. And the next deal is going to be on the L-shape hang all. It's a 2-pack of these L-shaped brackets. They're rated at 100-pound holding capacity. It includes 2 mounting holes with that, and they're made of steel construction. It is priced at $5 for each pair, and you'll be able to pick them up for $3, which is saving 39%, and it is a limit of 4. And the next item, they're out of stock at my store, but it's going to be the 12-inch version of the Pittsburgh quick release bar clamp. So it's just like this style, but 12-inch version. Based on the coupon, they do say it's normally priced at $4.99, and you can save 19% on that, making it $4. It is a limit of 4, whereas at my store, they're currently priced at $4.49. They even have a Hercules deal. It's going to be on this 3-piece impact-rated socket adapter set. It includes 1/4-inch, 3/8, and 1/2-inch drive, obviously impact-rated, and they retail at $9. You can pick it up for $7, which is saving 22% on it, and again, it's a limit of 4. Next up is a deal from the Pittsburgh 5-piece auto trim and molding tool set. It can easily remove trim, molding, door panels, and dashboards with this toolkit. It's made of a rugged poly nylon construction, and it prevents marring on the different items. It is priced at $9, and you can save 44% on that, making it $5. And again, it's a limit of 4. Then the next deal is on the Pittsburgh 4-piece auto body filler applicator set. So 4 pieces total of the different widths of the applicators. That's normally priced at $10, and you can save 9% on that, making it $9. So with something like this, I'd actually recommend waiting for the 30% off deal, which in fact this weekend is the deal. They are doing a 30% off of 1 item, not the 5 items like we normally see. But if you happen to need it, then maybe use the 30% off on that, because it is less than $10. So that would apply for that. If you're getting any value from this video so far, I would appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these deal videos, and help me get to that 50,000 subscriber goal. As soon as the channel reaches that 50,000, I'll be doing a giveaway of 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits, and I really do appreciate that support. It is free to subscribe anyways, so why not be notified of tool deal videos? That way it helps save you money on tools. I do appreciate that support. Let's move to the next deal. The next deal is on the Pittsburgh 9-piece tubeless tire repair kit. It works with most tubeless tires. The kit includes plugs, cement, hook, reamer, and knife. That's normally priced at $7. And you can save 42% on that, making it $4, and it's a limit of 4. But if you're in the market for a tire repair kit, I'd actually avoid this kit. So if you're looking for a decent tire repair kit, I would recommend going with the Maddox one. I did a review video on this Maddox kit, and I'll be sure to link it above in the notes. This one is definitely superior, as it is priced at $25. But what you're getting in this kit is going to be all steel construction tools, as well as a whole stack of plugs, pliers, It even includes like the different replacement needles for your tire as well, and a knife. So it's definitely a great kit to have in any vehicle. I'd recommend this one over the Pittsburgh one. And the next item I cannot find in the store here. It's going to be on the Grant's 6-inch universal pad. And it's your choice of either the compounding, polishing, finishing foam, the 1-pack, or the 2-pack of the heavy cut microfiber. It is normally priced at $10 for each of those. And you can save 19% on that, making it $8, and it's a limit of 4. Moving to the next deal is going to be on the solar spotlight. It's rated at 40 lumens, and they're priced at $9. You can save 22% on that, making it $7, and it's a limit of 4. Next up is a deal on the Hallmaster 3-inch rubber swivel caster. It's rated at 165-pound working load. The wheel is made of solid rubber. It absorbs shock. It's a plate mount. Does not offer a brake, so it's no brake. It's priced at $5, and you can save 19% on that, making it $4. And again, a limit of 4. Next deal is going to be on the 2-piece magnetic door, magnetic decor hooks. It holds up to 65 pounds, so it's a pretty good size magnet, and it's ideal for decorations or hold open signs on glass. So this 2-piece retails at $5. You can save 39% on that, making it $3, and it's a limit of 4. And there's a decent deal on the Vanguard 2-foot 4-outlet power strip. It's a surge protector. So 2-foot one, that's priced at $4, and you can save 24% on that, making it $3. And again, it's a limit of 4. And there's great savings on the Pittsburgh 6-piece precision screwdriver set. So it includes standard, slotted, various sizes. So those are the only 2 different ones that they offer, and they're normally priced at $6. And how about saving 33% on those, making it $4 and a limit of 4. And they even have a deal on a camouflage tarp. I haven't seen a deal on these before. It's the 5'6" by 7'6" camouflage all-purpose weather resistant 5 mil thick tarp. It retails at $6. And how about saving 33% on that, making it $4? And again, it's a limit of 4. Next up is good savings on the Pittsburgh 6-piece 3/8 drive hex socket set in both the SAE and metric. Here are the sizes in the SAE and then the sizes for the metric. They are each normally priced at $9, and you can pick them up for $6 each, and that's saving 33%. And again, it's a limit of 4. Don't forget, it's a lifetime warranty on these sockets as well. And they brought on another deal from the Badland brand of the 1/2-inch D-ring shackle. This would be good for ATV use. It's rated at 4,000-pound working load, and they're priced at $6. And you can save 33% on that, making it $4. And again, it's a limit of 4. If you missed my previous Dollar Days video where I showed the D-ring hack that you can use to help secure lumber in the back of your truck, I'll put a link to that video in the description, and it's towards the end of that video where I showed that hack using one ratchet strap to be able to wrap up some lumber in the back of my truck. And that was on the bigger shackle, on the 3/4-inch one, I think it was. But I believe this hack should still work on this smaller one at the 1/2-inch D-ring. It's enough room for 2 straps to fit in that ring, and it'd be nice and compact, and obviously a great deal at $4, which I think what I'll do is I'll add that clip to this video. That way you don't have to go to the other video I did on it, and I'll show you that hack with the D-ring. And this one should work on the smaller one as well, so it would be a great pickup at $4. Next up is a deal on the Hallmaster lock pin. It's the square bale PTO one. It is zinc plated to resist corrosion. This one in particular at this store is like a silver color, versus in the coupon it shows a brass one, which is going to be priced at $2. That's saving 49%. It's an awesome deal on it. And again, it's a limit of 4. And next up is a great deal on the mini razor blade scraper. It uses the regular size razor blades, which you could get a replacement pack of those. This normally retails at $2. You can save 49% on that, making it $1. That's an awesome deal on it. And it's again a limit of 4. And the last item on the Dollar Days coupons that is going to be available is on this Franklin 3-wheel swivel dolly. It is 6 inches wide. It's 1.25" poly wheels, and obviously rated at 200 pounds. So it should be able to make moving furniture and odd sized pieces easy. This is one dolly priced at normally $8. And you can save 24% on that, making it $6. And again, it's a limit of 4. All right, that's going to be it for the Dollar Days section I'm going to cover in this video. And that is all the Dollar Days that is available. I went over all of them. And there's some decent savings on some items. Obviously, anytime that there's an item that's under $10, and when they do a 30% off deal, and if the deal's not saving 30%, I always do recommend waiting for a 30% off of 5 items deal whenever they do them, which is about once every month or 2 months or so. So unless you have immediate need, then maybe wait for a deal like that, which, like I said earlier in the video, this weekend is a 30% off of one item deal under $10. And it's one item you can get per day with that coupon. And then the other deal that I went over in my previous video was saving 15% off of one item with no price limit on it. It's going to be good starting today for ITC members and then starting tomorrow on Friday for everyone else through Sunday. So again, you can go get one item per day and save the 15% on it. So it would be a good time to get something that doesn't normally go on sale. And when it does, then something that's normally not 15% off. So definitely a good time to get some of those rare items that don't come up on deals. And one thing I wanted to mention about the 15% off of one item deal this weekend is don't forget, if your store stacks the deals with the instant savings deals, then maybe check out the more expensive instant savings items to save the 15% on it and stack the deal with it. I know some of you did report that it doesn't work at your store, and I'm terribly sorry about that. It works at my store and many others, so pay attention to what's on instant savings where you could stack a deal on an extra 15% off. Like, to give you an example on this one, on the welding wire, it is normally priced at 25 bucks, and then on instant savings is $22, which is saving 12%. So you could potentially save the additional 15% on this by stacking the deal. So here's another idea to stack the 15% on would be on this Pittsburgh 2-ton compact trolley jack. So 4,000-pound capacity. The instant savings price is at 40 bucks. It's only priced at 50, and it's saving 20% as it sits right now. But you can take additional 15% off of that, which would save another 6 bucks, making it $34. So it'd be a good deal on that jack. I wanted to throw in a new item I came across in this video. It's on the Braun 1000 lumen slim headlamp. It is rechargeable. It has 3 adjustable light modes to it, and it recharges by USB-C. And here's what the back of the package looks like, and then the different ratings and run times based on the lumens that's being used. So it looks like a pretty decent headlamp. And here's the item number, and it is nice and bright. So this would be, I think, a great addition to any light collection. And if you know me from based on my previous videos and haul videos, I like my flashlights. So this slim headlamp does retail at 30 bucks, but hold off on using the 15% off on it because during the spring Black Friday sale, you're going to be able to save 40% off on all Braun lights. So you would be able to save 12 bucks on this light, making it $18. And that would be an awesome pickup for that price. All right, now I'm going to show you that hack with the D-ring and the ratchet strap. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate how to use a D-ring shackle to help hold the lumber in while you haul it back home or wherever. And especially in my case where my truck bed's only 5.5 feet long, and whenever I bring lumber back and I have a decked system in the truck bed. So sometimes it makes it difficult to haul lumber. If it's just a small amount, it's fine. I can put it on top of the tailgate. But if I have a little bit more and even some plywood, then it could be a little bit more difficult to put it in at an angle. So I'm going to demonstrate how to use a D-ring shackle to be able to help hold it in with the ratchet strap, and only one ratchet strap to help bundle it together. So when you're initially putting the lumber in, you want to first put the ratchet strap down on the bottom of the bed. Then you put the lumber in on top of that. And you do want to have some slack in the ratchet strap line so that way you're able to wrap it around the lumber itself. So basically take the ratchet strap from the one side and you kind of pull it up and over. Then you have the pin out of the shackle. That way you can put it right inside like that. One end of the strap on that side. I'll wrap the strap around this other side here. Then go ahead and put the pin in and screw it in like so. Let's see how the lumber is loose right now. So we'll go ahead and start ratcheting it tighter. See how it pulled it tight? Now it's just, all you need is the one strap. And this now is held pretty tightly together. It's not gonna float around and move around. See how it keeps it bundled together? That's pretty nice. So I'll keep this in the truck for whenever I do lumber runs. It'll be a great little extra tool to have on hand to help bundle the lumber together. So otherwise, if you just put a strap going across, it's not going to hold it really in place. Even if you have it at an angle, you still risk the lumber moving around and shifting around. And it's a great way to bundle it together. This makes it very easy to do. Definitely recommend picking one up. Well worth it, especially if you do these types of projects. Another good thing it would be good for is if you're like a plumber and you're hauling a lot of pipe, it might be a good time to pick one up as well to help hold the pipe together as well. Be the same concept as lumber. All right, so if you enjoyed this tip, be sure to give it a thumbs up. All right, that's going to be it for this deal video at Harbor Freight. If you gain any value from it, I would appreciate it. You do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Help me get to that goal of the 50,000 subscribers. And so I can give away those 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits. I really do appreciate that support. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.